had an Indian Darkhorse last year. Wasn't crazy about it. Decided to go ahead and upgrade to a Harley. Didn't know if it was an upgrade at the time, but let me tell you something, it is. The Indian, I hated driving that Indian. Loved this Harley. I knew the minute I got on it, I made the right choice. What I didn't realize was how much money you stick into this and how addicting it is to try to make improvements and make the bike yours. I can't even tell you how much I've spent doing this. I can, but I don't want to. So basically, I'm going to show you everything on the bike. Let me know what you think. Anything you want to get rid of, anything you think I should improve on, any ideas for further improvements. I'd love to hear it. Put it in the comments. But if you don't have a Harley yet, you might want to, think about how much you're going to get addicted to this and what a great time you'll have. Great experience. So here we go. There she is. Now I put this Joker on it because when I went to Daytona Bike Week last week, 2 weeks ago, I wanted to stand out. I also added this decal. I'm not sure if I like it yet. Let me know what your thoughts are. Should I keep it or get rid of it? Kind of like it, but I don't know. Okay, so I'll do a quick tour around the bike and then I'll explain everything. It's a thin blue line flag, but you can't see it right now. Nighttime you see it pretty good. Okay, let's talk upgrades. You ready for this? First thing, well, not in order what I did, but Clockworks windshield, one of the first things I got. It's a 14-inch sport flare. And you can see the angle. It's pretty cool. I like it. I put a GoPro mount on here for this GoPro that I'm on. So that's starting with the fairing. I added these lower fairings and the speakers with it. Now real quick, I started out with a J&M 400 watt 2-channel amp with a Harley GTS. I got rid of that. I went with a Sony 7000, which I happen to love. Also with the Harley, I did get the adapter. You can play Apple CarPlay and Google whatever it's called. But it's for 25 bucks. You get it on eBay and it works. But back to the Sony. I love the Sony and I'll explain why in a few minutes. So because of that, I ended up, well, I'm skipping ahead of myself. I put the Rockford 6x9 lid kit in here. So these are the original saddlebags. I cut them open. Looks pretty damn good. And I put the Rockford 6x9s in there first. Now, I like the Rockford. They were nice. But what I did was I upgraded the 2 6x9s, the 2 lower fairings, and the 2 upper to all Hertz speakers. The Neo Show. They're waterproof or water resistant, whatever you want to call it. Sound great. I went with 2 amps. I had the J&M Rocker, whatever you call, 400 watt 2-channel. I switched out of that. I went to a J&M 630 watt 4-channel. Got rid of that, and now I'm in a Sound Digital 1200 Evo X 4-channel. Now, let me tell you this. Fitting that in this fairing was a bitch. You gotta pretty much forget about aftermarket amps, racks. What you gotta do, mounts, what you gotta do is drill holes into the factory mount, and it's easy. So I did 2 holes. Like I say easy, but I ran all 4-gauge wiring through it. All upgraded 12-gauge speaker wiring. So I went to town on it. It sounds pretty good. I also put a DSR1 digital signal processor in there. And it's kind of cool. I like it. So we'll get to that in a minute. Let's go over some more upgrades. I guess let's start top. It's a Zero 3D mount for the phone. Very secure. Your phone's not going anywhere. It comes with a charger. I don't use the charger because I plug the phone in directly. I got these Arlen Ness grips. I put these mirrors on because the other mirrors I had weren't that great. These have the close and far mirrors, a little bigger. The ones I had before were really cool. Yep, boo-boo, boo-boo. Ones I had before were really cool, but these are much more functional. Okay, so that's pretty much, I added a glossy cover here. I added the Arlen Ness ignition switch cover, Arlen Ness gas cap cover, and Arlen Ness tank. Going to the tank, these are the Avan black tank covers, stretch tank covers. Set it come all the way down. And I put new black and chrome CVO emblems, even though it's not a CVO, but I like the look. So I got rid of the old emblems, put these on. What else? Come to the other side in a minute. Okay, moving on. Arlen Ness intake. I put the Willie G floorboards and brake pedal. Now the brake pedal, let's talk about that real quick. The brake pedal is it's an extended reach. It's a +1, so it's a little better for taller guys. You go +2 or +3, I believe, and it's flatter. So where the Harley brake pedal is up a little bit, it's kind of tiring on your foot and your Achilles, especially when you're old like me. This is a little leveled out more. It's a lot easier to use. I like it. So I did switch that out, and might as well get to this one then. On this side, I put the reduced lever, clutch lever. These are both from a company called Soft Brake. Soft Brake. You can get it, it's pretty cheap. This makes the friction zone a lot better. It's a lot less than the standard Harley, which is all the way out here. You really can't see. But this is like really close. The friction zone is excellent in this now. Okay, getting back. These Hogworks. Avan Black sells them. There's aftermarket ones. This is the hardest thing, the hardest upgrade I've ever done on my bike. Let's talk about that for a minute. Hardest upgrade I ever did. It took me, no shit, 5 times to do that. I started and stopped 5 times. I almost sent it back, but I refused to really give up. I finally found a way around it, and I did it. What a pain in the ass. You got to use one of these grabbers and go around the back. If you need any help with that, just put a comment and I'll walk you through it. It took me 5 tries, but I figured it out. I'm pretty handy. Okay, getting back to the bike. These are all, this is the dual slim lines from Reinhardt. Oops. Hold on a second. Okay, these are dual slim lines from Reinhardt. And I have the Reinhardt DBX 4.5 slip-ons. Sounds amazing. Now, because I did the air intake and the Reinhardts, I added a Vance & Hines tuner. I forgot the model number. Tuner goes into the cover. I'm not going to pull the cover off right now because I'm not pulling off my saddlebags. So the Vance & Hines tuner, it's really cool. You can tune it pretty easily through a Bluetooth app on your phone. You can even call them, they'll give you a custom mapping. You could do auto tune, which basically you drive around for a few tankfuls and it learns how you drive and adjusts accordingly. So it remaps your bike for you. The best part is you can set it back to the factory standard, so when you go back to Harley, it's this factory standard. They won't void your warranty, hopefully. I also did my own service, which you can do. Go on YouTube. It's very easy. And instead of spending $500-600 at Harley, why not spend $100 for parts and do it yourself? Just thought. Okay, getting back. This is a Chop Tour Pack. I actually got it on Amazon with the seat for like $250. Works great. It's locked, but you're not going to find. Oh, it's not locked. Okay. Now I put some I do-it-yourself lining in there. I got like moving blankets, and I cut them, put them in there. Works pretty good. But $250 or $1,000, what would you rather do? Works good. What else? I did LEDs in the back here, smoke lenses. I have a Sirius upgrade also, which I'll get to in a minute. Let's see, anything else on this side? No. Going to the side. I added all Willie G covers. Willie G pedal. I added a rear linkage here. Now this is the best part. Try to get this in here. Great, my sprinklers are coming on. Unbelievable. Hold on. I just washed the bike and the sprinklers are coming on. Ah. Okay, let me go faster. This is really cool. I'll get to it in a minute, but it's the love jugs, and it cools the bike down tremendously, like 100 degrees. So that's cool. I did a voltage meter and USB in here. Cut the other one out, put this in. It's very easy to do. What else? My easy pass, sun pass, whatever you call it, garage opener. Get to the Sony in a second. I got the Mustang touring seat, the really big, comfortable one. No complaints there. What else? I know there's more that I'm forgetting. Let's put her on. I'll show you a couple of things. This is SXM. You do your own wallpaper. And this is pretty loud.
You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Let the champagne splash. Let that man get cash. Let that man get cash.
Turn that off for I don't want YouTube to copyright me. Okay, what else? Oh, I did the mean mug up front. Can you see it? You see all the water from the freaking sprinklers? Damn it. I also ran the audio from the Sony. And that's pretty much about it. So, that's it. Try to catch everybody up real quick. Any questions? If you have any ideas for further upgrades, I'm probably going to go to a 21-inch wheel. What else am I doing? Probably going to go to a King Tour Pack because I want to do some traveling down to the Keys. So the King Tour Pack is good. Can't think of anything else. So anyway, that's pretty much it. Oh, I might do the Dakota gauges. Let me know what you think if you have them. I'm going to probably put those in. I have so much stuff crammed in there right now, I'm afraid to open that fairing. And that should do it. Any ideas? You have any ideas for me to hook it up and you want a video on how to do it? I'll put one up. But that's it. I'm gonna look. Oh, haven't heard the pipes. Let's make sure I'm in neutral. Almost forgot. I had the Zero foot pegs, highway mounts. What's nice about this, it comes with reinforced mounting, and you can place it exactly where you want, how low, how far, the angle. It's really good. So I love those. And I think I got everything covered. Oh, I got the magic strobe lights in the back. which I can't do both. But basically they blink, you know, real fast when you're stopping. Oh, I also got, I knew there'd be more stuff. I also got these. They're LEDs. I got rid of those ugly billet chrome ones and I put these on. LEDs, they look really nice. Okay. Can't tell from here. They're bright. Let's look from the front. Nice look around. That's it. Anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope I helped somebody out. And if you didn't buy a Harley yet and you're thinking about it, do yourself a favor and get as much as you can at the dealer and put it into your monthly payments instead of spending who knows how much I spent on this, getting it up to where I want it. And it's still not where I want. I wish I got the special. I like it all blacked out. I'm stuck with the chrome. But I like it. So for now, any ideas, put them in the comments. Love to hear about it. Hit the like and subscribe. More coming. Appreciate it. Have a great day. Okay, quick update. I forgot two things. I knew I forgot something. I upgraded the handlebars to the KST Vanguards, and I put progressive 944 heavy duty shocks on there. The Vanguards love these handlebars. You can adjust not only how far away, but also how much they come in. And the only thing I suggest is you get the extended cables. Even though 14 inches is a limit, you need that extra play. So for like 50 bucks, get the extended cables for the wiring harness. It's worth it. But just to show you real quick, I have to put my flashlight on because it's dark out now. Well, hopefully you saw it before, but those are the Vanguards. And the shocks are in there. That's it for sure. See you next time.